Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the basic seam types. Okay guys, let's start to learn about this French seam. The French seam has the same look as plain seam in the right side, while the wrong side has knit seam allowance finish without overlocking. The constructions: put the pieces fabric in layer wrong side together, sew the seam line, open the fabric to cover the seam allowance, just like this, and then sew the new seam line to cover the seam allowance. How to make it? Prepare 2 pieces of fabrics. Mark the right side and wrong side. Put it in layer wrong side together. Sew the both fabrics with 1/2 cm seam allowance. And then open the sample like this. And then fold to the other side. Now, right side will be together. And press the seam line to make it neat. And then ready to sew with 1 cm seam allowance. Sew along the seam line until finished. The result from the right side just looks like plain seam. And the wrong side will be like this knit without overlock. With these basic seam types, we can easily start our sewing projects. We will discuss about more advanced seam types in the next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Leave the comment down below what next video we should discuss in our channel. Subscribe for more video, and if you like this video, give me thumbs up.